Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. Now, if you've been to our Scratch page at bootuppd.org, you may have tried out some of the game projects like the food catcher, Don't Catch Mine. There's also some mazes if we scroll up to like right here, and there's also like the sprite catcher, etc. However, I want to show you a way that you can actually combine different games into one project. So the project that we're going to look at is called Interactive Pond and is by 29 Hallen. And so if we click the green flag, it's going to start, and depending on where you click, it's going to do different stuff. So if I click here, just kind of changes the color a little bit. I can also find some shells. Notice my score is 0. If I click on a shell, it gives me a point. Let's see if there's any shells hiding. Oh, there's one. Okay, that's a cloud variable. Oh, no, nothing there. There's a shell, there's a shell. All right, so I found all of them, so I got a score of 7. Now I can go back to here and try out a different game. So we have flower picking. So click the ones that match this. So I'm supposed to find these. Now if I click on it, it gives me a point. But if I click on the wrong flower, then I lose a point. So I just lost some points, but I can click to get my points back. And if I want to, I can refresh by clicking right here and just going right back into it. Okay. So now the third game that's in here is leaf catch. And so this one is kind of like the Don't Catch Mine or the food catcher. And so your goal is to catch the leaves as they fall off the tree. So this is a really neat idea of how you can combine different games into one interactive project. Now, if you got a project like this that combines multiple games, make sure you comment below so that way we can take a look at it and maybe I'll turn it into a neat idea video. And if you want to check out this project by Interactive Pond, make sure you actually go to the description of this video and click on the link there, and you can give them some praise for their awesome project. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.